Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about our new course launch, Power BI for QS and construction professionals, especially. There will be a 3 to 5 minutes video. At the end, I'm going to show you how you can register for the course at my site. So at the beginning, I will take you through what is this course about, why we are doing, and then why it's important. Let me quickly switch the screen to show you. Right. Currently, it has been found out that there are 600 plus live vacancies for the quantity surveying related jobs across Middle East, like all those various countries, Dubai, Saudi, Qatar, Oman. So out of that, there are 73% QS professionals, right? Domain experts. They are really good at their domain. They don't have a data skills. Now AI data science disruptions are coming into that domain. So now there is a need of combine your domain expertise experience with the data skills. So there are some of the salary range I have found out they are paying like ready to pay 2 times, 3 times better than the one that we are getting if there is a person with the data skills. So now most of the youngsters who completed advanced diploma or even degree or some of the studies, some training, they are not getting interviews. There are several reasons, but now we have only one approach now. We are going to change the approach from this year. We are going to apply with the domain experience plus data skill. That's what we are going to combine, and then we are going to send the CV. Then we will prepare for that one. So now again, most of the experience already working people, they are heavily work on Excel for last like several years. But now Excel alone is no longer enough because the data is big. As you know, if you work with Excel, it limits, like let's say you can't go more than like 1.3 million, 1.4 million. If there is a big data, you need to move to another products, right? Softwares. Market has moved. So now we need to ready for that one. So now I'm going to show you, that's the problem. Now this is the proof I'm going to show you. There is a real vacancy, right? Now it's coming now. I'm going to show you one vacancy. See, company, most of the construction professionals, they know Hill Internationals, right? They are calling a Power BI expert, report writer, right? So now, if there is a vacancy coming like that, there is a reasonable salary they are going to pay. Who is taking this role? This is the disruption that the market is facing now. Those days we work with Excel, right? Manual reporting and all those things. Companies are bringing these products to the company. Power BI is coming up. There will be a several technical architects. They will come. They will install the Power BI in your company system. They will give training and all those things. If there is existing persons, they don't have skill, they will have to hire outside. Okay, so we need to have a must understanding on these disruptions, right? So now again, when you look at this vacancy, Power BI expert, clearly a construction consulting group, right? So they are expecting data modeling, DEX, SQL, C, Primavera, P6 software. This software, guys, this is from Oracle, right? This is you've been using for several years, but maybe you don't know this is from Oracle. See, if you go to Power BI, see, there are you can connect in that Primavera software. They have an Oracle database. That's what you are working in. Already, you've been working for several years. You don't know what's the database it's been connected. See, this one is connected. So Power BI is directly connected to many software that we are using, right? So it's data connections we will see in the course. I want to show you, right? These are the connections with the new job vacancies are coming into your current domain work, right? So you need a domain experience, that's a must, plus the data skill and the product knowledge. That's the sign that this vacancy tells us. Okay, I'm not going to talk too much into things, but this is the proof that the current live vacancies from a big consulting group is right now available. So let me go to the other one, right? So here they are expecting a data modeling, DEX mandatory, advanced Excel, Power Query, right? Mandatory, Primavera software mandatory, maybe preferred. 3 years Power BI hands-on required, right? Here, guys, if you don't have an experience also, you can build a project. Then you can put it in the repo. I'll show you in the course how you can work, and you can save your work, and then you can give the link in the CV. The interviewers, the companies, the directors, or hiring managers, they can see your work. That's also we are going to work in that course. Okay. So, and then project control background essential, right? So data, this is clearly shows your domain experience, that what you are doing, plus data product skills. Okay, now what's the solution? We have found the problem. I show you the vacancy. That's the disruption is coming. Now what's the solution? So now I have designed a course, 12 weeks, 3 months course, one day, weekend, 4-hour session. We will be ending in 12 weeks, right? So you're gonna be spending 4 hours with me on weekend, probably KSA time 7 a.m., 7 p.m. So these are the things I'm going to introduce you at the first stage. Okay, this is more than enough. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, like all these modules, like if you see the light blues are fundamentals, right? You will see how I will teach you how to install the Power BI in your local desktop, what's the architecture, what's this doing, right? Data connections, right? In your real data, there is no other supply chain or e-commerce. We will use the construction quantity surveying related sample data, guys. And then dashboard buildings, the graphs, right? KPI cards, right? What are the features that Power BI has? Data cleaning, data modeling, right? All those things. How do we make reports, sharing reports, right? And then especially in Power BI, there are AI features are there. So what are the features we can use, right? Final dashboard presenting, all that we will discuss in 12 weeks course. Okay. So the gold color is a little intermediate areas, and then the light green is the advanced area, like these are. So I will take you through, right, as a in a flow from fundamental to intermediate to advanced, right? Your goal is not to get that 100%. At least if you get a 30%, 40, 50% from this course, that's a big win. Remember that, guys. Starting is very important, then perfections or failure or successful, that's a second step. But somewhere in another corner, we need to start, we need to kick off. That's the goal. This course is for that domain people. Okay. And then now, so during this course, I will give 2-hour personal one-on-one session with me, right? Every student, I'm going to limit like 15 to 20 students for this batch. Every student will have one-on-one connect with me, right? And also I will find out whether I can bring another expert with me to review your progress, to help you where you are, right? We will score in your progress, and then we will put a personal development plan for you to success. Okay. So this is a one-on-one connection, connect, guys. Personal connection with me plus a data expert to review your progress. Okay. There is no other platforms are offering this one. This is the one other feature in this course that we are offering. So this is me again. Some of the responses I got from like outside of the country. There are different peoples, right? Maybe some of you may know, some of you may not know. So I'm currently working as a senior data and AI scientist. Is one of the largest group in the world. I'm doing visiting lectures for NIBM, IIT, and several other state universities in Sri Lanka. And then recently I found the Nexai Academy to contribute to students in terms of data AI in several domains. So this is my 5th domain, guys. I used to be working banking, finance, insurance, and especially in supply chain with high impactful data and AI solutions. Now construction is my 5th domain I'm entering into to see the exciting students and the well-established professionals in this domain. Right. So that's the idea, guys. This is the course. This is what we are doing. This is the vacancies that's available. Right. This is the goal that we are going to do. Finally, look at this one. This is very important, guys. As a first step, 12 weeks, we finish the course, we get some idea. Our next goal, it's very important, guys. Microsoft PL300 certified, right? Power BI is a Microsoft product. You will get to know in the course, right? There is a Microsoft examinations, right? There is a small dollar amount you need to pay. Then we will guide you how you can take the exam, right? How to prepare. All of that we will guide you. Once you get this PL300 certified, it's a 1.5 hour, around 1.5 hour exam online. You will get the trainings during the course, how you can sign up and then practice, and then how you can do this exam. Once you get this after our course, it's aligned with this Microsoft certified. If you get a Microsoft certified PL300, you are becoming a certified business intelligence engineer. And after that career upgrade, you are not limited to one domain. Even you can move to another domain, right? Now you are combining a technical exposure with your domain, right? So there are 2-3 areas in your current domain. You can change it to another shift with the disruption, or else if you are now technically capable, you can move to another domain, or else you can move to higher positions. There are several verticals will be opening, right? That's the goal. So at the end, we will target the Microsoft PL300 certified guys. It's a globally certified recognized program. You can link to LinkedIn, right? And then there will be a certificate will be given to you. The recruiters can log in and see, right? This is a very trusted, recognized certificate. Okay, that's also in my mind when I designed this course for you. So this is, guys, end-to-end program. And then I'm going to show you in my website how do you register for this course, right? We will be closing by 27th of April. The course will be start first week of May. 15-20 students we will have to limit. It's a starting price 40,000 Sri Lanka USD 130, right? So 12 week, 4 hours a week. The timetable will be announced soon. 2-hour personal one-on-one with every student. PL300 exam preparation, Microsoft certified. Lifetime access to materials. Okay, once you become a member and register the course in my site, you will get the notes for 12 weeks, right? Cheat sheets, guidance with screenshots, all of that. And then private student community, we are building a data AI QS community, so we can have a network with that QS professionals as well. So these guys will be expanding to another country professionals, like this will that's the goal as a next step. So these are the exposures young students, like mid-level professionals you will get.